All right, hey everybody. I know I haven't posted a video in many years, and it's okay. I'm hoping to start doing some videos real soon, but I thought I'd just start with a simple unboxing. I grabbed a Oneboard by NBO. I saw 1,000,000,005 ads on my Instagram and Facebook, so I grabbed the Performance Pack. And I made sure I grabbed some extra goodies. So I'm just gonna open this up and see what's in here. The box came kind of messed up. I thought, I saw that it was coming from China, which made me very nervous. But I got it in about 5 to 7 days. What we got here? Made of metal for my iPad. Ooh, dual expander on both sides. That's cool. I like that. Slides up and down. Cool. We got the main plate. Oh, dude, great. Great clips. This is awesome. I really like this a lot. Great clips. Ooh, and this material is that of a mouse pad, I would say. It feels a little gel. Can it come off? Yeah, it can. Oh, there's some sticky parts here. Dude, this feels great. But this clip feels really rugged. Man, I like that. Lock it into place. Clamp it on. Dude, that's great. What else we got in here? A little netting. What would this be for? I've never seen this in any of the designs. I don't think it's for the bottle. Okay. Put that to the side. We got here. Are there more magnets? Ah, okay. Yeah, this is another magnet. Velcro cable ties. That's cool. Put that to the side. Get that out of here. And what else? Instructions. Okay, there's the bottle holder. You can use it for a bottle holder, or you can use it for drumsticks, pens, etc. But yeah, man, this is super nice. Oh, cool. It's got some. Oh, it looks like it just. Oh, it's for the keep the bottle from going all the way to the bottom of the bag. That's neat. I like that. And I'm smacking my camera around. Very unprofessional. That's why this is my first one back. So this just kind of goes inside here, and then the Velcro will wrap around the rings. This is nice, man. This is really good, fellas. Friends, or I'm sorry, I'm supposed to say guys. Oh my God, guys! That's what all the influencers say is guys. So, ways to attach it. All right, got another angled. Grabbed an angled extension. Put my phone on the bottom of the bag or the plate. Definitely like that. Get it out of the shot. Oh, I just ripped that mug open. Holy smokes. Cool, customize it. So how does it lock in? It's supposed to be on the front. Oh, okay, so there's these little brackets here. Must slide right in. Sure it locks, yep. Oh, dude, cool. Very nice. I like that a lot, man. Really good, guys. This is really cool. Very nice, very nice. And then I grabbed the magnet pack. So I got another one of those little angled magnets, and then Looks like just a regular desktop or plug style magnet. Of course, I can't open it up because I am impervious to tape. Dude. Yeah, so far I'm really happy with what it looks like. Banged my camera stand again, amateur. Oh, that's super strong. And then these, I've seen these angled ones. They're kind of cool to hang stuff from, or you can flip them right side up and use them for like a microphone clip for a front of house. Dude, this is strong. Can I carry this whole thing up with it? No. That one I can. Dude, these are great magnets. All right, guys. So I'll take some photos and put them up on my social medias or whatever. But yeah, that's the NBO. This is the Performance Pack. It's sturdy. It's heavy duty. This clip is awesome. The brackets and tighteners, tightening gaskets feel really good. So yeah, throw this up here on the side, maybe. It's the third time I hit the camera stand. Oh yeah, that's cool. On this mug up, my iPad. Oh yeah, that's gonna be really helpful. I like that. Oh, there's the netting. That's what the netting's for. You got these little posts on each corner. I'm sure to keep things in place as you're moving about. All right. That is the Oneboard by NBO. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm excited to start using it on at front of house. All right, that's it, everyone. Talk to you soon. Later.